I chose Purdue IE because I wanted a degree that set me apart from the others in a way that took the technical side of it, technical side of the science, math, developing that background and applied that to the managerial side of things and the business aspect. So I'm very passionate on both, and being able to develop that, I chose Purdue IE because it was such a strong degree in what every industry truly wants and truly needs. And Purdue specifically, their reputation and their rank among other schools is what set them apart in my mind. The degree I received from Purdue has been invaluable for what I'm doing today. The thought processes that an IE has is exactly what we need in an environment that is ever changing and ever developing, like Procter & Gamble and the markets that we compete in. So my current role, it takes a lot of the technical aspects of what I've learned in my IE degree and matches them up with the managerial side of it, and trying to figure out how to best optimize our processes, what we're doing, how to eliminate waste and drive value for our customers and our consumers. And that's pretty much everything that I took away from IE is that value creation, how do we develop value in our networks and eliminate non-value added work. Some of the highlights from Purdue, there have been many highlights, but what I love about it is how it took a big university and made it feel small. And there are many aspects of that, but the relationships I had with my professors and the faculty in IE specifically, the relationships I was able to develop with other students and friends by being involved in a number of organizations, and the way Purdue helps promote all of those various organizations. One of my biggest highlights was being Vice President of Institute of Industrial Engineers, and being able to help understand what companies are looking for and understand what IE can do in the workplace, but also develop other upcoming IEs, upcoming students, and mentor them. And so kind of taking the big picture and making it a small family. So that's what I truly loved. I also loved just being in the Big Ten atmosphere and what that means as far as from sports to just the reputation Purdue has and just being a part of that atmosphere. So one person that truly comes to mind is Dr. Deshmukh. He came in at a time when we had lost our previous school head, and who had been an integral part to the school, and he came in and wanted to really make a difference with the students. And what I truly found was wonderful about it was he was heavily involved in the student organizations. I got to know him very well as being a part of IIE, Institute of Industrial Engineers, and he really valued our input and what we were doing. Myself and the president of IIE met with him regularly to figure out where we could budget and where we could promote industrial engineering and really build back into both the university and the students. And I just truly valued his relationship with the students. My advice for current or future IE students is get involved, and I mean that in a number of ways, but get involved on campus with something that you're passionate about. Be a director or board member of an organization. Really try to deliver something for your campus, for your organization, whatever it might be, that sets you apart.